Dear student, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Aisha Siddiqa Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Indian University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 6 and today's topic is your assignment topic. That means that was the 4th graded assignment and the assignment topic is lesson 1 to 7 and already you got your assignment question. Here I have also give you a little bit things I will share with you and the question is give a comparative description of the drawing of primitive people and present people. First I will say you the definition of art. Art is the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture. The various branches here look branches of creative activity such as painting, music, literature and dance are also art. The term art encompasses diverse media such as painting, sculpture, printmaking, drawing, decorative art, photography and illustration. Look boys and girls, the students, printmaking, drawing. Here G will be omit. Definition of primitive art. The new research suggests us that the primitive art invented in Indonesia. But from the textbook we know the primitive people painted or drew pictures at cave and that cave were discovered in Spain and France. Definition of present art. Present art or modern art is a style marked by a significant departure from traditional style and values, in particular that created between the late 19th and the late 20th century. Comparison of primitive and present art. Primitive art drew by the primitive people in cave. On the other hand, the present artists draw on paper and canvas. Drawing was a kind of magic belief of primitive people. Hunting animals was their only work. For that reason, they used to draw the picture of the animal they hunted. Again, they drew the pictures of arrows and spears of animals' body, the meant that the animals were hunted with the weapons of animal hunting. They used to draw such picture before they went out for hunting. It was their belief that they surely would become successful that day. Most of the animals of that period were bisons, mammoths, etc. But the modern art done mainly for the pleasure of the mind and for the movement and protest of different times. The Renaissance was a fervent period of art. Modern artists point out various inconsistencies in the society. Again, I will say this line. Modern artists point out various inconsistencies in the society. Primitive people sharpened the hard bones of animals and drew lines scratching with them. They used to make brushes tying animals' fur and made color with animal fat mixing with colorful soil. Modern artists used to use various kinds of color and brushes. They use oil color, watercolor, pastel and acrylic color. They use various kinds of canvas too. Finally, we can say that the primitive cave dwellers used to draw only for their needs and to survive. And the modern artists draw picture with joy in their mind and present various aspects of nature and social in front of everyone through paint brushes. So my dear student, hope all of you understood what I have to say to you. That first look the question or the topic, give a comparative description of the drawing of primitive people and the present people. That means present artist or modern artist. Primitive people, that means the people who are live in the cave and they are not civilized that time. That's why they use a lot of natural things like the animal fat for the color, and for the brush use the animal's fur, etc. So dear student, I hope all of you understood my today's class. I just give you a format not to write these things to your assignment. You must use your textbook, read your textbook properly. You got a lot of information from textbook and you can use net also. And the instruction of you must use the assignment cover page and use only this page, and then when you go to the second page you don't use this page. Okay, that means you must use only one side of your page. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.